animals. What does a cow say? Good. What does a sheep say?
Sheep.
Sheep. What does a sheep say? What does a horse say? Good. Katie, what does a frog say? What does a bird say? Good. What does a cat say? Good. What does a doggy say? Good. What does a fishy say? Good. What does an elephant say? Good. What does a lion say? That's right. What does a pig say? Pig? Oink. Good. What other animals do you know? What does a sheep say? You already said that, didn't you? That's good. Oh, my favorite. What does a chicken say? Are you talking to Daddy on the phone? What does a chicken say? Say hi, Daddy. Say hi. What does a chicken say, Katie? Baka bug. That's our little animal sound maker.